Good day. In this video we will be using the vvdi star F101 to reset the IMO and program new keys. This is a much shorter procedure than deleting keys and add keys. It can be used for all keys lost as well. Press enter. Press down for immobilizer and press enter. Down to Toyota and press enter, then Toyota and press enter. Choose immobilizer and press enter. Choose type 2 with G chip. Choose Europe. Down to reset immobilizer, then enter. Switch ignition off, then press enter. Switch ignition on, press enter. Switch ignition off and remove the key, then press enter. Switch ignition on, press enter. Switch ignition off and remove key. The security light will light up and stay on. Put key in ignition and wait 3 seconds, then remove key. Do this for all keys you need to program. Switch ignition on to off 10 times, then remove key. Program for a transponder is done. Test key. Now we need to program remotes. Remote programming procedure to clear all remotes, and add new ones, or use to reprogram all remotes. Put key in ignition and wait 5 seconds. Switch ignition from off to on 5 times, ending with ignition on. Open and close driver's door once. Switch ignition off. Open and close driver's door 2 times. Switch ignition on off 2 times, leaving the key in ignition. Press lock and unlock button together 2 times, then unlock 1 time. The central lock will cycle that it accepts the remote. Do this for all remotes you need to program. Switch ignition on, then remove key. You are done. Now test remotes.